The Mulard duck is a hybrid breed primarily raised for high-quality meat and foie gras production. It is a sterile cross between a Muscovy drake and a pekin, or other domestic duck hen, combining the best traits of both parent breeds. History. The Mulard duck originated from controlled hybridization, developed in France during the 20th century to meet the growing demand for gourmet meat and foie gras. The cross between the Muscovy drake, Cairina moschata, and a pekin or other mallard-derived hen, Anas platyrhynchos domesticus, results in a sterile offspring with a broad breast, lean meat, and efficient feed conversion. Because of their sterility, Mulards must be produced through artificial insemination or careful crossbreeding and cannot reproduce naturally. They are widely used in Europe, particularly in France, as well as in parts of Asia and North America for commercial meat production. Health issues. Mulard ducks are generally healthy and vigorous, but may experience leg strain due to their rapid growth and heavy weight. If overfed or kept in confined spaces without proper footing, they can develop footpad dermatitis, bumblefoot, or joint problems. In foie gras production systems, they are often subjected to forced feeding, gavage, which can increase their risk for fatty liver disease, though this is a controlled process in regulated environments. Clean housing, a balanced diet, and spacious conditions are essential for maintaining the health of mulards raised for non-industrial purposes. Egg-laying production. Mulard ducks are sterile and do not lay fertile eggs. Females may lay a small number of infertile eggs, but this is rare and inconsistent. Because they are a hybrid designed strictly for meat and liver production, they are not used for egg-laying or breeding. All mulards must be produced from a fresh cross of parent breeds, which adds to their cost and limits their use to specialized farming systems. Availability. Mulards are widely available in countries with a strong foie gras or duck meat industry, particularly France, Hungary, and parts of China and the United States. They are usually sold by commercial hatcheries or producers who specialize in waterfowl hybrids. Backyard farmers can sometimes purchase ducklings from hatcheries, but they are less common in general poultry markets due to their sterility and limited use outside meat production. Availability depends heavily on regional demand and processing infrastructure. Hardiness. Mulards are fairly hardy birds and adapt well to a variety of climates, especially in controlled environments. However, they require careful management due to their hybrid nature and large body size. They perform best when raised in well-ventilated, spacious enclosures with access to open space for movement. Though they are not strong foragers like pure Muscovies, they benefit from enriched environments and are resistant to many common duck diseases when managed properly. Traits and price. Mulards are large ducks, with drakes often reaching 9 to 12 pounds and females slightly less. They typically have white plumage with varying dark markings, especially on the head and back, but their appearance can vary depending on the parent stock. They are quiet like Muscovies, but grow faster like pekins, making them ideal for meat production. Since they are hybrids, their prices can be higher than standard ducklings, often ranging from $10 to $20 per duckling, depending on the region and source. Lifespan. Under typical commercial farming conditions, mulards are processed between 11 and 14 weeks of age for meat, or slightly older for foie gras production. However, when raised as pets or in small farms outside of industrial systems, they can live 6 to 10 years with proper care.